Welcome to the parent tutorial. To begin, simply tap the app icon on your home screen. First, enter your registered phone number. This is the number linked to your child's school records. Now, enter your secure password. If you've forgotten it, you can use the forgot password link below. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard.
Welcome to your dashboard. This is the first screen you see every time you open the app, and it's designed to give you total peace of mind at a glance. At the very top, you'll see the My Children heading. If you have more than one child in the school, like Emmanuel and Kenneth here, they will each have their own card. You don't need to switch between different accounts, everything is right here in one view. On each child's card, look at the top right. You'll see a note telling you exactly when their bus tracking starts, for example, 8:15 a.m. Between the orange school icon and the house icon is a progress bar. This is where you'll see the bus moving once the journey begins. Now, look at the bottom left of the card. We've included the photo and name of your driver or attendant, like Mr. Bola, so you always know who is with your children. If you ever need to reach them urgently, you don't need to go searching for their number, just tap the blue call button and it will dial them directly. Next to that, you'll see the specific bus number, which is helpful if you're ever at the school gate and need to identify the right vehicle. If the bus isn't moving yet, the button at the bottom right will say No Live Trip. Don't worry, as soon as the driver starts the journey at the stipulated time, this will change to show the live movement. Finally, look at the very top right of your screen. That little green headset icon is for support, tap it if you ever have a technical issue. And the megaphone icon next to it is for announcements. That's where the school will post general updates, like if there's a delay due to heavy traffic or rain. It's all very simple and secure, keeping you connected to your child's journey every step of the way. Next, let's look at how you can stay updated throughout the day. Tap the notification bell icon at the bottom of your screen. This page is like a digital diary of your child's journey. As you can see, every major event is logged here with the exact time it happened. You will see updates like when the bus tracking started, when the bus departed from school, and the exact moment your child was safely dropped off. Each notification is clearly labeled with your child's name and photo, so if you have more than one child, you can easily tell who the update is for. We even include the specific address, for example, here in Lekki Phase 1, so you know exactly where the bus was when the update was sent. If you are looking for a specific update from earlier in the day, you can use the search icon at the top right to quickly find it. And if you need to check what happened on a previous day, maybe you want to confirm what time the bus arrived last Tuesday, just tap the calendar icon in the top right corner. You can select any past date to pull up the full notification history for that day. It's a simple way to keep a record of your child's movements and ensure they are exactly where they need to be, when they need to be there.
Now, let's look at how you can review your child's travel history. At the bottom of your screen, tap on the history icon. On this main history page, you'll see your children listed with a quick summary of their attendance for the month, showing how many days they were present, absent, or on holiday. To see more detail, just tap on your child's name, like Emmanuel. This opens up a full calendar view. It's very clear, green dots show when they were present, and red dots show absences. At the top, you get a beautiful summary of the entire month. If you want to check a specific day, just tap on that date in the calendar. Once you tap a date, you'll see the pickup and drop-off details for that day. It shows you the exact times, for instance, a 2:15 p.m. school closure and the exact time of the drop-off. If you want to see exactly how the journey went, tap on the pickup or drop-off tile. This opens up a live map showing the actual route the bus took. You can see the path marked in orange, from the school icon to your home icon. For even more detail, simply pull up the drawer at the bottom of the map. This reveals a precise timeline. You'll see the exact minute the bus started, the time it arrived at your specific pickup location, and the final endpoint of the trip. It's a very detailed way to stay informed about every single minute of your child's commute, ensuring everything went exactly as planned. Sometimes, plans change, and your child might not need the bus for a day or even a week. That is where the Leave tab comes in. Tap the calendar icon at the bottom to get started. If you haven't scheduled any absences yet, you'll see the No Leave Found screen. To notify the school and the driver, simply tap the large blue Apply Leave button at the bottom. On the next screen, you can easily select which child the leave is for, or select both if they are both staying home. Then, choose your timing. You can select today, tomorrow, or tap Select Date to choose a specific range from the calendar. We also give you two options for the type of leave. If your child will be home all day, select Full Day. But if you only need to handle one part of the trip yourself, you can select Self-Pickup, Drop. This is very helpful if, for example, you are dropping them off at school yourself but want them to take the bus home. Below this, there is a Leave Remark box. Please type a quick note here, like doctor's appointment or family travel, so the school has a proper record. Once you are done, tap Submit Leave Request. Your active request will then appear on your main leave screen as ongoing, letting you know that the driver has been notified and won't be stopping at your location during that time. It's a simple way to keep everyone informed and ensure the bus route stays on schedule for others. Finally, let's explore the Profile tab. This is where you manage your account and customize how the app works for your family. At the top, you'll see your own profile details, like Chioma Ifani here, along with your contact number. Below that, you can see your children again. If you tap on a child's name, like Emmanuel, you can see their specific school schedule and their current drop point and pickup point. If you move house or need to change these locations, you can tap the Change You buttons to update the school on where to meet your child. Back on the main profile page, the Pickup and Drop By section is very important for security. This is where you list exactly who is authorized to collect your child from the bus. You can easily tap Add Temporary Guardian to upload a photo and details for someone else, like an auntie or a trusted neighbor, ensuring the bus attendant always knows who is authorized for a safe handover. Further down, you'll see the Proximity Alert Radius. You can use the plus and minus buttons to set exactly how far away the bus should be before you get an alert, for example, when the bus is half a kilometer away. In the Settings menu, you have full control. You can manage your notifications, change language, or even switch the map and theme settings to suit your style. You can also update your password here to keep your account secure. Finally, the privacy policy is available for you to read at any time, so you know exactly how we protect your family's information. Everything you need to keep your account updated and your children safe is right here at your fingertips. Now, let's look at the heart of the app, live tracking. This feature is designed to give you total confidence by showing you exactly where your child is at every single moment. On your home dashboard, as soon as the trip begins, you will see the Track button become available. Simply tap on it to open the live map. Immediately, you will see the bus icon moving on the map in real time. You aren't just seeing a general area, you are seeing every point and every turn the bus takes. Notice the orange line trailing behind the bus. That is the breadcrumb trail, showing you the exact path the driver has followed from the school. You can see your house icon marked clearly on the map, so you can visually track how close the bus is to your doorstep. This transparency ensures you know the exact whereabouts of the school bus, giving you that extra layer of safety and security. Whether you are at work or at home, you can watch the journey unfold. You'll see the bus icon move along the streets of Lagos, passing landmarks until it reaches your specific pickup or drop-off location. With this live view, you'll never have to wonder where the bus is or how long it will take. You are right there on the journey with them, ensuring your child is safe and sound every step of the way. Thank you for taking the time to learn how the SafeRoute app works. We know that as a parent, your child's safety is your number one priority, and it is ours too. With this app, you are never in the dark. Whether you are tracking a live trip, checking your child's history, or managing their leave, you have the power to stay connected and informed every single day. By using these tools, you aren't just tracking a bus, you are ensuring a safer, more efficient journey for your children and our entire school community. If you ever have any questions or need a helping hand, please remember that our support team is just a tap away through that headset icon on your dashboard. Thank you for trusting us with your child's commute. Let's make every journey a safe one.